Alam natin na ang carrots ay mabuti para sa ating mga mata. It contains heavy dose of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. But do you know that there's a museum solely dedicated to the super vegetable? Si John Stolarczyk ay isang Briton at founder at curator ng World Carrot Museum. It is a virtual museum devoted to everything about carrots. John also investigated how the myth that carrots can improve one's eyesight became a popular British propaganda in World War II. Pinaniwalaan na ang pagkain ng carrots ay nakatulong sa mga sundalo para makakita ng mas mabuti sa gabi. May iba't ibang klase ng food preparations para mas ma-enjoy natin ang pagkain ng carrots. Kaya be a superhero and eat your carrots.